Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of setting up the TP-Link TL-WR740N router. Whether you're setting it up for the first time or troubleshooting, this step-by-step guide will help you get online quickly. Let's dive in. First, let's unbox the TP-Link TL-WR740N router. Inside the box, you'll find the router, a power adapter, an Ethernet cable, and a quick installation guide. Make sure you have these items ready before we start. Now, let's connect the router to your modem. Plug one end of the Ethernet cable into the WAN port of the router and the other end into your modem. Then, connect the power adapter to the router and plug it into a power outlet. The power light on the router should turn on. To configure your router, you need to access its web interface. Open a web browser on your computer or device and type in the router's default IP address, 192.168.0.1 or 192.168.1.1. Press Enter. You will be prompted to log in. The default username and password are both admin. Enter these credentials and click Login. Once logged in, you'll see the TP-Link setup page. Click on Quick Setup from the main menu. Select your region and time zone, then click Next. Next, let's configure your wireless network. Enter your desired network name, SSID, and set a strong password for your Wi-Fi. Make sure to choose WPA/WPA2 encryption for better security. Your router will now restart. Once it's back up, try connecting your device to the new Wi-Fi network using the SSID and password you set earlier. If you encounter any issues or need help, our expert team is ready to assist you. For support and guidance, don't hesitate to call us at 323-471-3045. Feel free to leave a comment below with any questions you may have. And that's it. You've successfully set up your TP-Link TL-WR740N router. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or run into any problems, leave a comment below, and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching.